Hey everybody, good evening. I have to wait to actually get on. Okay, we got it fixed now. Almost there. Let this up, and we'll get started. Welcome in, everybody. Let's get our coffee. Strange bun recipe. Let's see, I thought it would be fun to write you a note. I had so much fun with the cows yesterday. I'm starting to understand why you chose the farmer's life. Hope to see you soon. Haley. Okay, so rice has 4 days. Potatoes have 2. All the garlic is done. I think we'll just let everything finish and then we'll grab them all at once. Okay, that's not needed. Check the winery. 19 hours, so those will probably be ready tonight or tomorrow. Let's get what they've got in here. Well, they've only got 2 milk. Oh, 2 milk. What the heck? We're not trying to chop them. Why is it not? Stop using the tool. Thank you. Stop trying to chop them. I hate this. I have a feeling that this area is not going to keep enough grass for them all the time. We'll see. Wait, what did we get? Oh, honey jar. A gift from Bear's companions sells for a significant amount. Okay. We just keep those and sell those. You say I know we had truffles somewhere. Nope. I know we got some in here. Anything else? No. Okay. Grab these and put them up. Alright, on to the chickens. Let's see if we can find the bear. There he is. Smokey. Got our bear. Oh, the hives are done again. Let's clean this up so this will be easier. Alright, let's go. Other coop. Excuse me. Oh, rabbit. Can't see it, but it was there. Hi, Aerie. Welcome in. How are you? How was your day off? I'm pretty sure. Much appreciated and well deserved, I am sure. I got quite a bit accomplished by not streaming this morning and so a long day tomorrow. I'm sorry. I did get a lot accomplished today though. So I was productive. You know, if I'd remember what we're looking for. Good grief. Okay. Yeah. I was like, I've got to get some stuff done because we leave and Sunday will be a week. So I'm like, I've got some stuff I've got to get caught up on here before we leave. I love this chest anywhere until you start having a lot of stuff and then you can't keep it organized as to what's where. We're going to the mountains. Me, my son, my husband, and his, my son's girlfriend. Kind of like a celebrate their first year of college is done kind of thing. I'm going to do my best. It will be weird not seeing y'all. I mean, I'll see y'all, because, I mean, I'm sure you'll stream some during that week, and some of the others will, too. Pineapple. Just means I've got to get some videos done and stuff, so I'll have something to go up while I'm gone. I'm going to do my best to have them and schedule them so they'll just post throughout the week, but we'll see how that goes. And then after I get back that Saturday, late that Saturday. My daughter graduates that Tuesday, so it's gonna be a busy next few weeks. We've got some stuff, Monday night, or Monday afternoon that she's got going, so. That'll be fun. And then I will be done with the schools, because she was my last one to, as far as graduate high school. And then we got to go through the whole college process. Let's throw all of this in here. Neat. Okay, I was making sure we didn't start any quests that we forgot to finish. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi, but the stream seems laggy. It may not be completely you. I don't know what the deal is. Where are we? Well, that's not where we wanted to go. I think I might be better off switching over. This is still also not where we wanted to go, but hey. We're getting closer. Okay. Third time's the charm. I might have to switch over to, just TikTok tonight, but we'll see. I don't know what's been going on with... I know it's not my internet. But while we're sitting here, let's see. See, where is network? 60. Let's see what it says. It takes forever for it to run, but let's see what it tells us. Pineapple wasn't done. Oh, we have to go get all the honey, and we have to go get the fish ponds. I completely forgot. Let's get the fish ponds first. I'm waiting to see what the speed test tells me. Well, it's not the internet, because we're looking at 824 megabytes per second download and 922 megabytes per second upload. So, I don't know what it is. I'm thinking it's something in OBS itself that I'm going to have to tweak again. I also refuse to do the newest update for OBS because every time I do on MacBook, I get screwed. So, I'll try and cut this. There we go. I love this until we have to clear them. Nope. Ran right into that gnome. If it gets to really being bad, let me know, and we'll, if I have to, we'll just, switch. The graphic side's not as great when I use Studio, but signal's better. Unfortunately, that means I just have to kick out on the other side. Okay. Did we get them all? I think so. That is so time consuming. But it's worth it. Dang it, have we grown more trees back here again? Goodness gracious. Goodness. Okay, I think we got them all cleaned up. Let's go see what we want to save. And here. Here. Mouse go. And we'll throw these in the chest here because we don't need them. I will have some quest or something on like either on Ginger Island or even on the big board in Pelican Town. Hopefully we'll have something. We'll see. Well, 4,000 gold, that's not too bad. Nope. Let's put this in here. Trees are done. I could have upgraded this greenhouse, but I never did upgrade them this time. I always kind of thought we'd build a second one, but I don't think we really... Hard for me to say, but I don't think we really have room to build a second one. Oh, this is going to be nice. We missed one back there, but we'll get it after we get these. There's 94 kegs in here. Oh, one more ever. Wood, copper, iron, oak. Okay. Because I want to do this. Wood, oak, copper. Did we not make... Oh, I was going to say, did we not? I know we made iron bars. I'm not crazy. Okay. Then we need to go in here and grab some more... ancient fruit. I guess we'll grab this. I'm gonna grab 95 because we're gonna put one outside. Ma'am! This is not the time to sit down and take a break. I don't think we missed any. We'll find out. Because if we did it right, we should have one left. Okay. Then what we're going to do is go right here. And put one here. That way we can just watch for that one to be done and know that whole building's done. I had a sign left somewhere. Let's see. I know it's got a picture on the building, but... I'll grab one for just a minute. That's not where I wanted that to go. This mouse is about to tick me off too. Close enough. There we go. No. No. I don't want to drink it. I want to sell it. Not today. You know what we haven't done? Oh, they're not here yet. We got here a little early. Oh, there's Lewis. Kenny. Okay, I don't see anybody else in here. Hi, KK. Welcome in. Good evening. How are you? Yeah, when you do Expanded, they add a few things to the community center, and they have community day where everybody comes to the community center, which is cool. How did I get a leak? Okay. We could wait for everybody to go inside, but no, we're just gonna meet them outside. See, everybody will come in here and do like their own little thing. It's kind of cool. At least you see it getting used. We got enough people hanging around here for Pickup game. Think people would play if I promised to go easy on them? Boy, that's all he thinks about. Okay, so that's Penny. Wait, did we talk to Pam? Oh, we talked to all of them. Oh, there's Elliot and Willie. We haven't talked to them. The only one I haven't seen yet that I know will be here will be Clint. Oh, here comes Linus. See, they even have Linus coming in, which I think is cool. There's Emily, Haley, Maru, Demetrius. Trying to move so all y'all can get in. And Robin. Okay, I'm here. He even brought the chicken. Look, he brought Charlie. That's cool. Alright, we gotta get Pierre. And Leah. I think we got everybody. Nope, nope, there's Harvey. Let's see, did we miss anybody? Haven't seen Clint yet. I don't know if Gunther will come. We'll have to see on that one. I don't think the wizard will be here. Kent? I swear we talked to Kent. Where's he at? There's Clint. There he is. And they'll just hang out in here for a little while and they'll like read and chat, they'll cook and all that little stuff. You would think Clint would have been in the boiler room. But yeah, they have community day every month on the 22nd. That's a cute little way to make it feel like you did something when you finished the community center. Coal. Okay, we probably could do that. What a good time to dig through the trash cans. Everybody's in the community center. We could do the bug guts, or we could do her potatoes. I think we should do bug guts. I guess we can also do that along with Clint's quest of coal, so. I feel like that way we're getting 2 for 1. Let's go here to farmhouse. Put bread in there. Recycle. And then forage. Let's grab our bombs. I think we should have some left. Not a lot, but we have a few. Actually, we'll just start at the beginning. Why not? Because it can't hurt to have stone, too. Didn't check our thing for today. Oh well. Well, that didn't give us any bug guts. Let's blow some of those up too. Oh, we got some coal off of that. Where's the ladders? We probably should have... Get our little statue. But I didn't know we were going to the mines. God, we already cleared it, but oh well. We're not able to stay in here as long because we got in here late by going to the community event. I didn't mean to pick up the torch, but okay. You know what I haven't seen much of since we took the quest? Bugs. Nothing we can do about it though. Oh. We have to check out the most slimes with the pickaxe. Okay, I'm not sitting here breaking every one of these. We got a few of these, we'll use them. Didn't see any bugs on this one either. Where are all the bugs? I'm not trying to take out the slimes, I promise. I did all that, and guess what? Okay, what the heck was that? Okay, there's the ladder. Doing it so fast, I'm not even hitting the rocks. Y'all, I've seen one bug and it didn't even give us bug meat. Go after those big rocks, because at least then it'll give us some rocks to have. Oh shoot, it's getting late. Okay. We got no bug meat. None whatsoever. And we got 7 out of the 15 coal, so we'll have to finish all that tomorrow. Well, I mean, we don't have to finish the bug meat tomorrow, but we do have to finish the coal one tomorrow. Did get like 322 stone. Can't be too mad about that. We did not check Ginger Island either for quest. But we kind of need to finish these first, I guess. And then we'll move to that. Okay, we got some wood. Mars flower dance. Keep hitting the wrong one. Another one's not done. I don't know why. Wait, look. Okay, ancient fruit sun. Andy, what does or love? Golden goose egg or pearl? Boy, he's got expensive taste. Not gonna buy a lot, just a few. I think we're gonna start at 15. Hello, Shy. Welcome in. How are you, ma'am? Well, this isn't going to help us with our quest in mind. On the bright side, they can't hurt us because we have our slime charmer ring. I think we're actually getting some bug meat today, which is great. Oh boy, that gave us so much. I know we got to find a ladder, but right now we're just kind of walking through. Goodness, that thing's giving me a fit. I should have touched our statue and I completely forgot. I'm trying to find this ladder. I don't remember seeing one when we came in. Of course, that was at the very beginning. Okay, I'm not going all the way around that. Oh, there's the ladder. Goodness, ma'am. Okay. Where are we at with the bug guts now? 22. And we still need more coal. Hurry, because we've got to get that to Clint. I'm here. Okay, we don't need much more. I don't expect to finish the bug guts today, but I do kind of want to. I mean, we kind of have to finish the coal today. finally made it to Ginger Island. Congrats, ma'am. That's exciting. I love, like, the first, like, trip over to Ginger Island because there's so much to do at the very beginning. Okay, we have a ladder, so that's not an issue. Yeah, I love that first trip. You're looking for all the walnuts. Got everything to clean up. Alright, we have a ladder. Let's see if there's anything that's got some holes on it. Okay, that finished Clint's quest. Okay, we can finish the bug one. Let's see, where is Clint? His shop. Having the key to the city is great. Hey, I got it right this time. Oh no. Let's go up here and see if we've got any. I think we need all. Too much. Okay, it was only 2. Not too bad. At least it didn't get into the crops. Let's see what we got over here. 100,000. No. I don't. No. I don't want to do that either. I don't want to play Junimo Kart. I avoid that quest at all costs. Oh. Technically this is weapons. Alright, let's go back to the farm. I don't think we took care of the animals today either, so do a little quick run of this. We need the Deluxe Coop and the Ultimate Coop. Goodness. I think we skipped more than a day or two there. Okay, and then we grab Ultimate Barn or Deluxe Barn. Goodness. Get it together, ma'am. Okay. Got all that caught up. Loki is trying to sleep. Okay. I'll leave him alone. All the potatoes are done. Onions are done. The rice still has 2 days. So I'll wait on it and that will do it all at one time. I feel like that's the smartest way to do it, is all at one time. Let's check the greenhouse. Nope. He still will hit us, but... I could say, I've never had to run a bug down so freaking hard. Alright, let's go. More bugs. Bugs. Where? Bring on the bugs. Oh goodness, let's not click. Alright, let's go. I don't see any bugs. There's some bugs. Yay, we got some bug meat. Bugs down there. Boy, we killing our energy. There we go. We're gonna go down and see if there's any bugs before we decide to take the ladder. Okay, we're gonna skip and go back up here because I feel like we're gonna get what we need down there. Need something to eat. Use these. Okay, I don't see bugs. Goodness, trying to find. There we go, there's a bug. Let's see what we've gotten so far. 79 out of 100. So we need what? 21 more? I don't see any bugs on this one, so let's go. don't see anymore. Got 87 out of 100. Alright, let's go home, and then we can maybe finish this. Back here. These are done. Oh, all this is done. I don't know if I want to plant anything else or just let it sit for 3 days and we'll get on the last day. We'll have to still redig, but... let's see if we can finish this today. Hi, Tinker. How are you? Welcome in. Oh goodness, we should have gotten some bombs today. Wait, 6 more. Okay, we got a ladder. So good start. Oh, yes. Oh, usually I hate this, but this means we'll get some bugs. Come on. Come on, we need one more. Send us one more bug. What's some bug meat? Come on. Yes. Let's go. Now I need to find... chest. We'll clean up all this after we empty our pockets. I'll take 3,000 gold for some bug guts. How about y'all? Anything? Alright, we got it. Let's see where we're at. We get more dust sprites. Just a little over 100, not too bad. And serpents and magma sprites. So that means we need some more time in the volcano. Okay, let's see. Deluxe Coupe. And we'll go to you in a minute. Ultimate Coupe. This is making me want to play mods. I bet it is. I was the same way before I started playing with mods. Like, and then I was so amazed at what they all have with mods. Like, if you could think of it, you look, there's probably a mod for it. Alright, Aerie. Good night, ma'am. Don't work too hard tomorrow. There are so many mods. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure you work with some that probably don't work hard enough. Which makes you have to work harder. Yep. You got some that are literally there that just hope they can draw the paycheck without any work. Alright, ma'am. Good night. Get some rest. How do we still have those in our pockets? Alright, picked up more truffles. Oh boy, here we go again. Like these things get faster sometimes. Or it's because we go all winter not having to gather them. Probably that too. Like sometimes I'll get in a good rhythm at grabbing these, and then sometimes it's like, what are you even doing? And not go that way. Alright, another 160 down. Up here and see where we want to put what we want to keep. Then let's hit take care of the animals. We finished both of the quests. What else? I haven't done this. suck so bad at doing this. These are done. Oh, the wine's done too? Okay, I want to go in here real quick. Grandpa's greenhouse. Not greenhouse, Grandpa's shed. Need one of these. And when those are done, we know that Grandpa's shed is done. I don't think we're going to the mines today, but I need to get in the habit of hitting that statue. Alright, let's go check Ginger Island. stick these in here for now until I get what I want. Sell this, and let's go to barn. Alright, we're gonna sell the gold ones. And we'll come back to here later and grab process. Sell this. How long does this have? Okay, so we've got a while on that one, and we've already sold the ones from today. Those are still going. Something for Pierre. Golden goose egg, pearl, prismatic shard, rabbit's foot. Hmm. I don't really want to, but I'm just trying to keep friendships going. Speaking of, let's see how that is going. Almost finished Gunther and Susan, which is great. Jazz is almost done. Linus isn't too far off. Abigail's almost done. Sebastian's almost done. Got a little bit on Kent. Harvey's almost done. Lance. Yeah, we've got a few down here that we need to work on. I keep forgetting about Morgan. He likes bars. Let's get Morgan started. Okay, now I've gotten Morgan started. What we're gonna do is just come out here. Don't see any. Oh, there is some. Come on, Flame, come on. Here we come fight some of it, try and finish those numbers. Come on. Come on. not get through there because of that rock. Ooh, dragon's tooth. Yes, please. Okay, we got to figure out. Where the button is. Where is the button? Because this is where we came in at. Where is the button? There it is. We're gonna go back that way. Okay. There's a button over there we got to figure out. Okay. Wait a minute, we can get in there without... Dang it! Button over here too, okay. I think there's any buttons over here, right? No. Okay. Yeah, I know it's midnight. pass out. Get out the way. Go. Here. Here, and... I don't think we're gonna make it to the barn. Might not make it out of here. Yeah, we're not making it to the barn to get that one. Oh well, we did get the coop stuff, so. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright guys, I think we're going to end it here for tonight. Let me switch to just chatting. I do appreciate everybody, all the likes and the follows and everybody hanging out and chit-chatting. If you would like to join our Discord, there is a link in the bio. But I will be back tomorrow. But until then, I will see everybody later. I'm going to run credits for those on the purple app, and I will see y'all next time.